Okay, Kenny. Today we're gonna go over diagrams and logic. Now, all that means is you're gonna read something and then draw a picture of that information. Kind of like a word problem, but instead of solving it with numbers, you're gonna make a picture to solve the problem.
Okay.
To see if it's true or not.
Okay.
So, read your instructions first.
Place a dot in or around the diagram to make the conclusion true.
Okay, so your diagram is this. It's pictures.
Okay.
So, read your statement here. What are we trying to draw a picture of?
All volleyball players are humans. Kenny is a volleyball player. Kenny is a human.
Okay, so where's the circle for humans? Yeah, this circle represents humans,
This
right?
outline.
And then this circle represents what?
Volleyball players.
Do you know why the volleyball players circle is in the big human circle?
I have an idea.
Why?
Because volleyball players are humans.
Right, so all volleyball players, so you put the whole circle of volleyball players in the circle of humans, right? Do you have any dog volleyball players?
No.
No. Okay. So we have all the volleyball players in the human circle because all volleyball players are human. Kenny is a volleyball player. So if you read that, Kenny is a volleyball player. If you had to draw a dot to represent Kenny, where would you put him?
In the volleyball players?
Go ahead. Okay. So that's your Kenny dot, right? So what does your last one say?
Kenny is a human.
Now, if you look at this picture, does this picture say that Kenny is a human? Does that show that Kenny is a human?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Kenny is in the volleyball player circle, and the volleyball circle is in the human circle.
Is all of the Kenny in the volleyball player circle?
Yes.
Is all of the volleyball players in the human circle? Right. So if Kenny is in the volleyball, all of Kenny is in the volleyball player circle. That means Kenny is a
human.
Well, if he's in the volleyball player circle, Kenny is a
volleyball player.
And all the volleyball players are in the human circle. So if Kenny is a volleyball player and all volleyball players are
humans,
so Kenny must be a
human.
So is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good job. Okay, now we're going to look at the next one. Now I'm going to give you a little bit less of the picture. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do the same thing. You're going to finish the picture, the diagram, according to this. Okay, and we're going to see if your last, which is called the conclusion, we're going to see if the last statement is true. Okay? So go ahead, you read it.
All cats are animals. Kitty is a cat. Kitty is an animal.
Okay, so we have all cats are animals. So you have a circle here representing what?
Animals.
Okay, so what's the next circle that you have to draw?
Cats.
Cats. Okay, so where would you draw the cats?
Inside the animal circle.
Right, go ahead. Okay, so here's your cat circle, right? Kitty is a cat. Kitty is an animal. So if you had to draw a dot for Kitty, where would he belong?
In the cats.
In the cat circle. Right? Because Kitty belongs with all the other cats, and all the other cats belong with the
animals.
There you go. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to give you no picture. Now you have to draw all on your own. Okay? Go ahead, you read it.
Draw a diagram showing the following statement. All babies are children. Chloe is a baby. Chloe is a child. So then, write a big one for children.
Okay, good
Chloe
job.
is a baby. Chloe is a child. So then you draw a circle for babies.
Good job.
And put Chloe inside the baby circle.
Because
Chloe is a baby, and babies aren't children.
good job. All right.